If we look at the crypto market, it was fascinating to see how our crypto top 30 yesterday, with all the bullishness that we've been seeing out of the market over the past few days, really interesting to see how the crypto we got up, we actually kissed the short-term moving average, but because, and this is exactly what I mean about the S&P 500, because we have this actual well-defined top up here, we come up and we kiss this short-term moving average, and then the crypto market just puked out yesterday. It was quite remarkable to see. I mean, big old thumping, boom. I was quite interested to see how we kissed and then rejected violently off of that level. And the whole damn crypto market rolled over yesterday. It was quite remarkable to see. So if crypto is a leading indicator, that can't be a good sign, so, and the interesting thing about price action now is that if I look at Bitcoin, it's actually pretty simple. What I would just simply say now is you've got your battle lines drawn. So top of the range was the high there, of course, the other day. Bottom of the range, notice my 13 EMA is coming up right against these lows. And this market bottomed right into all these tails here. Candle body lows or trade location. You've heard Brian talk lots about that. So quite simply put, now we have a bit of a counter trend rally. Remember I told you on that RSI study, we came up against the 50 and we bounced against it, which is pretty typical. That's usually what happens. But now you can clearly see if this fractal now fires, which means we trade through this low, which means we break through the 13 EMA, and you actually start seeing the market actually printing below here, I think our rally is done. For the time being, we're stuck in this trading range. We have this huge FOMC event happening. Really, to me, this kind of looks like it's going to carve out some big head and shoulders pattern here. So something along those lines. So don't be surprised. And also too, remember there's that horizontal support and resistance level up top. And there's Mr. Foggenbaum's 4.669. There's also the top of the parking garage just above here. So don't be surprised if we actually do something like that. That wouldn't surprise me either. The way that the algo is positioned right now, if anything, and with the fact, like when I have, this is a daily price chart too. When I have confirmed bearish divergences with Willie stupidly overbought like this, what am I supposed to do? Have you seen what the market does following a Fed meeting recently? So, the market does not like these Fed meetings. And is this sort of a buy the rumor? Okay, the Fed's going to be done. And then what the hell's going to happen on the other side of this? Remember, I'm still a bull. So if anything, what I'm saying is pullbacks or buying opportunities. I don't know whether I really want to get too active on the short side. If anything, what I want to see, and I like this now, the algo put in a nice polite W. If anything, what I want to see is I want to see the teal get down into this oversold zone like we had here. When this happens, then I can actually start getting bullish. But while the teal is actually still sloping down, I think probably the best thing to do is cool your jets.